Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is distance, speed and time. This is a standard formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. So that means speed is equal to distance by time. Similarly, time is equal to distance by speed. Most important one is whenever we going to solve the distance, speed and time problems, always keep it in mind that units must be same. Units must be same. So that is either kilometer per hour or meter per second. If speed is kilometer per hour means that is distance in kilometer, time is in hours. If speed is meter per second means distance should be in meters and time should be in seconds. This is keep it always in mind. Next, trains. Train cross a pole or person or telegraph post or any mast. That means our general formula is distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time. Train cross a pole or person standing on platform or telegraph post or any mast means here distance is equal to length of the train. In this case, distance is equal to length of the train. In this case, distance is equal to length of the train. Here distance means length of the train. Length of the train means always in meters. Length of the train is in meters, time in seconds. So we can convert the speed into meter per second. Of course, if speed he will give in kilometer per hour, you can change into meter per second. So that means kilometer per hour speed, it is converting into the meter per second. Simply multiply with 5 by 18 fraction. Simply multiply with 5 by 18 fraction. Similarly, for meter per second speed, change into kilometer per hour, 18 by 5 multiply with 18 by 5. Next, to cross the platform or bridge. To cross the platform or bridge, also the same. Why? Because to cross the platform means length of the train in meters, length of the platform in meters, length of the bridge also in meters. To cross, that is in seconds only. Speed is kilometer per hour, so you can convert into meter per second. Kilometer hour speed, meter per second. This is length of train, it is moving. Then here it is platform. Here it is platform. So it is crossing the platform. So that means here distance is equal to length of the train plus length of platform. Length of the train plus length of the platform. So this is the distance. To cross the platform or bridge means distance is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform or length of the bridge. But whereas to cross a pole means nothing is there. Here distance is equal to length of the train. Here distance is equal to length of the train. But whereas here distance is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform or length of the train plus length of the bridge. Next, trains crossing opposite direction or same direction. Trains crossing opposite direction or same direction. Here, this is one train, first train. This is the second train. This is first train. This is second train. So this both trains are crossing means, so this train will go this side, this train will go this side. So that means this completely, this length plus this length. Distance is equal to length of first train plus length of second train. Distance is equal to length of first train plus length of second train. If trains are crossing opposite direction. Similarly, if trains are crossing in the same direction, if first train speed is 80 km/h, if second train speed is 120 km/h, certainly this higher speed train will go fast. This higher speed train will go fast. In the same direction, the second train, since it is a higher speed, it will go fast. So whatever may be this train will come here. So that means here also distance is equal to length of first train plus length of second train. Because of difference of speeds, faster train will go ahead. So particularly in the trains, there are three types. To crossing a pole, person, post or mast, distance is equal to length of the train. That is stands good. Next comes to cross the platform or bridge, distance is equal to length of the train plus length of the platform or length of the train plus length of the bridge. Next, to cross the opposite train or same train, distance is equal to length of first train plus length of second train. Similarly, in the same direction also, length of first train plus length of second train. Of course, in the same direction or opposite direction, that speeds are different. Keep it in mind. Speeds are different. Accordingly, we can calculate it. These are regarding train problems. Okay, friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you were interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.